Now comes to the second day in the early morning when the owlets just come out the nest. This, I believe, is the one that I show you guys previous video. The owlet, the little owlet. He is sort of like in this cozy Y-shaped tree branches, and he looks like he's very comfortable. The early morning sun asking his body, and his eyes sort of like very sleepy and enjoy the spring, early spring days. You can see the white ones, the white washes under his body. Um, that is his poop. Yeah, this place is very safe and comfortable. He really likes this place. And, he just occasionally opens his eyes just to look around. The background is a beautiful orange reddish color because of the sprout of the maple trees. This is from different angle. Now the time comes to noontime, and you can see his claw under. Yeah, his eyes is so bright. It's shining bright. Widely open because something I think is under him. Please look at him. Oh, look at he's in alert, pretty alert mode.